Hi everyone, this is Pinder. Today I am going to share you solution of air condition in converted electric car. I have coupled my air condition with the 1000 watt BLDC motor. It runs on 48 volt or 60 volt, but I have not 60 volt or 48 volt supply in my car. I have 72 volt lithium phosphate battery in my car. So I made a plan to run this motor on 72 volt. For this purpose, I have coupled my motor with 72 volt controller. Here you can see I have wired all the wirings to 72 volt controller. Here you can see all three phases are coupled. Hall sensor wires are matched. Supply on and motor is running successfully. It is not overheating, works proper. Air condition works well, no doubt. Thanks a lot for time you gave.